Ever ordered something online and it magically goes missing, delayed, or wrong? Behind that mess is usually outdated manual order processing, and retailers bleed millions because of it. But here's the kicker, there's a simple fix most brands still ignore. Think about this. Your order moves through 5, 7 systems before it reaches your doorstep. One tiny typo, one late update, boom, wrong item, wrong address, refund request. EDI flips this old mess into a smart, touchless handshake between systems. Orders sync in real time across suppliers, warehouses, and last mile partners, no waiting for someone to check an email. Smart brands now pair EDI with live tracking and auto-replenishment, so shelves never go empty and customers never wait. It's not just data exchange, it's real-time trust between partners with zero human drama. At the end of the day, every messy order is a broken promise to your customer. EDI makes sure your backend never breaks that trust. If you're still stuck with manual workflows, you're building tomorrow's brand on yesterday's tech. Where does your team stand today? Let's trade notes below.